आठवीं जमात की तालिबा हूँ और आज का हमारा सबक मस्जिद की मानसी नजर में खुलासा। जमील बजरी एक शहर है। इस नज़र में गरीब के बारे में लिखे हैं। इस दुनिया में मजदूरों से ही रौनक है। इस दुनिया में मजदूरों से ही रोशनी है। मजदूर दौलतमंद की सेवा करते हैं। मजदूरों को सोने के लिए चटाई भी नहीं है। मजदूर मेहनत करके अपने बच्चों को आगे बढ़ा और आगे बढ़कर इनके बच्चे बुलाएंगे और वो तालीम याफ्ता
पाठशाला तर्गना कोनी बागलुगा बांजीगुरु इंटी भाषा बागलु अंटारू इवी ऐदु रकाలు నామవాచకం సంబంధం విశేషణం క్రియ
నామవాచకం పేర్లను తెలియజేసే పదాలను నామవాచకం అంటారు. ఉదాహరణ తోట, చెట్టు, చిలుక మొదలైనవి.
సర్వైన నామవాచకు బదులుగా విరా నామములు అతి ఉదాహరణకు తాడు నామం నేను మేము అది ఇది.
My topic is author of the Tattered Blanket, Kamla Das, born in 1932 and died in 2009. She is the daughter of famous Malayalam poet Balamani Amma and B.N. Nair. She is internally known poet, short story writer and novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam.
Verify distributive law in rational number with any examples. Let a, b, c be any three integers. Let a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 8. Check under addition, subtraction, multiplication. Addition: a of b plus c is equals to a plus b, ab plus ac. Substitute the values. 2, 5 plus 8, 13 is equals to 2 5 is 10, 2 8 is 16, 2 13 is 26, 10 plus 16 26, and that is equal to r.
A of b minus c equal to ab minus ac. Substitute the values. 5 minus 8 minus 3. 2 into 5 10. 2 into 8 16. 2 into 3 6 minus as it is. 10 minus 16 minus 6 as it is. LHS is equal to RHS.
Myself, I am studying 8th D. Today I am explaining about Ramu was affected with smallpox. What advice do you give Ramu for not spreading diseases?
The direct contact with other person must be avoided. Should not allow other person to use your clothes and bedding. Clothes of infected person should be washed with hot water and dried in some place. They should be not used by others.
Smallpox can be prevented by taking vaccine against it, but in 1776, Edward Jenner discovered a vaccine for smallpox, but it is now wiped from our country.
Thank you.
I'm from 8th D. I'm going to explain and answer the following question. Discuss the changes that have come about in the lives of folk artists during the last 50 years. With the coming of modern means of information and entertainment like television and films television people are turning away from traditional forms of performing arts.
Folk artists are facing a decline and crisis of livelihood since they have been traveling artists.
The lack of models for education and the other some of unskilled workers, the government has stepped to use some of these art forms for promotion of government programs.
Yes, the folk arts are declined due to this. We lost our traditional and culture. The forthcoming generation will not know this traditional and culture.
Synthetic fibers are not obtained from plants and animals. They are made with the raw materials obtained from petroleum. Examples, they are nylon, acrylic, polyester.
Polyester is the most commonly used synthetic fiber. Polyester fabric revolution lies with the fabric industrial fabric made from polyester fiber. Fiber don't get easily, it remains crisp and it easily washable, so it's quite suitable for making dress material.
Combined fiber. Fiber made out of two modes, fiber and canal as fiber mixed and convection. We balance polyester and cotton with natural and synthetic mixing. It will because new cotton.
And get dry and red mixing of two fibers is called a blending.